Sometimes the build-up to a big storm can oversell its impact. Right now, though, Storm Goretti is living up to its billing with a double dose of wintry weather battering Britain. 99-mile-per-hour winds in the southwest, heavy snow, a foot of it further up the country. The Met Office warned lives could be in danger. Already, more than 50,000 people have been left without electricity. Well, the worst of the storms are expected over the next few hours. Red weather wind warnings, which mean a risk to life, have been issued for Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly, where record winds of 99 miles per hour have already been recorded. Red warnings have also been issued for the Channel Islands, people there being warned to stay inside. There are amber snow warnings for much of Wales and the Midlands, and yellow rain and snow alerts have been issued for much of the rest of the country. The Met Office has called it a multi-hazard event. You can say that again. Well, tonight, Sangeeta is in St Ives on the rain-lashed Cornish coast. Rhys is in wintry South Wales, and Stacey is in the city snow of Wolverhampton. First, Sangeeta's report on how Goretti roared across the West Country.
As the eye of the storm moved across the channel, strong winds hit the Isles of Scilly at almost 100 miles an hour within minutes of the red alert being enforced. All schools here were closed today as the south coast bore the brunt of the Atlantic air.
You've got to be fairly resilient if you live out on a rock in the Atlantic, so we're quite used to bad weather here, but this storm is probably one of the worst we've had for the last couple of years.
All airports were closed across the Channel Islands, and emergency services told residents to stay indoors as a major incident was declared. Some took advantage of the strong winds earlier today along the south coast, but with relentless gales and rainfall, all trains from Cornwall up to Devon were suspended. And later, the winds became more violent, whipped up as the storm developed.
Well, 40-mile-an-hour winds are forecast across here in St Ives, but it already feels a lot stronger than that. 100-mile-an-hour winds are expected across the rest of Cornwall throughout the night, of course, with that red alert in place until 11 o'clock. Now, the concern the Met Office is worried about is that those strong winds will meet high tide and cause coastal flooding, and they're expecting waves across the channel to reach as high as 6 or 7 metres.
Tonight, thousands across the southwest are without power. Roads are already blocked by fallen trees, with the worst of the storm still yet to come.